has not turned one page.
Oh my god.
Have you ever hesitated before pulling out a book in public? Not because you weren't in the mood to read so much, but more because you were worried about how it might look.
Do you ever think that if someone's reading, it's performative?
Absolutely.
Napansin mo ba? Parang ang weird na ngayon magbasa sa public. Dati normal lang. Ngayon parang may judgment. Nagbabasa ka ba talaga? O nagpapakitang tao ka lang? Welcome back to Ang Sarap Pala Magbasa, kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang books at yung mga bagay na hindi laging napapansin sa pagbabasa. And today, let's talk about something na medyo controversial. Performative reading. Performative reading is this idea na nagbabasa ka, pero hindi lang para sa sarili mo, kundi para makita ka ng ibang tao. Nagbabasa ka sa cafe kasi aesthetic. Hawak-hawak mo yung libro kahit hindi mo binubuksan o hindi mo binabasa. Or posting your current read for the vibe. And let's be honest, we've all done this at some point. Dahil sa social media, reading is no longer private. It became content, identity, and personality. Books are no longer just something you read. They're something you show. And in a world full of distractions, reading itself became a flex. Dito na pumapasok yung judgment. Biglang may mga tanong na, binabasa mo ba talaga yan? Or gusto mo lang magbukang matalino? Lalo na kapag classics, philosophy, or anything deep-looking. Parang kailangan mong patunayan na legit ka. Pero teka lang, what if you're looking at this the wrong way? Kasi kung iisipin mo, lahat naman tayo performative in some way. We choose what we wear, choose what we post, and choose how we present ourselves. So bakit pagdating sa pagbabasa, biglang naging issue? Here's the truth. Even if someone starts reading for aesthetics, validation, or attention, they're still reading, and that matters. Kasi ngayon, ang daming tao na hindi makapag-focus kahit 5 minutes lang. So if a book, kahit pa for show lang sa simula, pulls someone into reading, that's not fake. That's a start. So maybe the better question is not, performative ba yan? But does it still lead you back to the book? So next time may makita ka nagbabasa sa public, don't ask, nagpapakitang tao lang ba siya? But instead, you should think, at least may nagbabasa pa. Do you think that reading in public is performative or just misunderstood? I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments. If you believe that book review podcasts deserve more space online, help this one grow by sharing your thoughts in the comments. Once again, I'm Tessa Saavedra, and this is Ang Sarap Pala Magbasa. And maybe today, we learned that reading, kahit saan pa yan, is still worth celebrating.